Hi guys, if you're watching this, you've allocated how many past papers you want to do and you've printed them off and are ready to begin exam cycle A. Now, before you do, here's a few tips on answering multiple choice questions. The first section of your exam, section A, involves multiple choice questions. And I personally hated them. I just couldn't answer them. I could always get down to 2 plausible answers and then I would choke. But since then, I've developed a simple process that will enable you to arrive at the correct solution, and I do this with all my tutees. Number 1, RTQ, stands for read the question. I know this sounds obvious, but so many students miss the nuance of a question by rushing through it, and they don't understand what it's asking. 2, highlight keywords. Many students actually over-highlight the page, and this is a detriment to your brain processing information. Be selective and highlight those keywords. 3, ask yourself specific questions. When students come to exam pressure, they often crumble, and so does their logic. By asking yourself targeted questions, you'll be able to generate clear connections between the question and your understanding of the concept. For example, what do I know about this concept? How does this context relate to this concept? What answers don't actually align with the knowledge I have? This process is all about targeting your thinking, enabling you to deconstruct the question and increase the likelihood of arriving at the correct answer. Number 4, use a process of elimination. Now, your teachers will have ingrained this in you for a long time, but this is still the best method to arriving at the correct answers in multiple choice questions. If an answer given isn't consistent with what you know, just cross it out. But when I mean cross it out, get rid of that entire answer. That way, your brain can focus on the rest of the answers without being deterred by these distractors. Sometimes MCQs will be straightforward and you can bypass these steps. However, with the harder questions, this system is robust and will give you the best chance of arriving at the correct answer. Now, what I want you to do now is to attempt the first multiple choice section from your first exam. The ones that you printed off early in this series will come in handy now. So grab one of the papers marked Exam Cycle A. Try them out using the method of elimination I've run through in this video. Once you're done with that, you can move on to episode 4.